Hello, this is Andrew Miller with the next episode of the Miller Digest. Today, I am sharing examples of spreadsheets that we have created and still use today for maintaining accurate records at our apartment buildings. Keeping good records is important for many reasons, especially for taxes and reporting at the end of the year. If you are interested in using these spreadsheets for your own business, please comment below and we will get those to you at no charge. Stay tuned after the presentation for topics that will be covered in future videos. For this section, we're going to be covering the spreadsheets that we promised in earlier episodes. You can see the spreadsheet for the cash flow of the entire building written out right here. You can see that we include every single month and every month's rent. Apartment number 2, as you'll recall, is the one that I lived in, where there was no income for that apartment. However, it was my place of residence. So each month's gross income is down here below. Different expenses are also segregated out here. What you'll see is that we list them out: mortgage, taxes, insurance, electricity, wastewater, water garbage, capital improvements, maintenance, repairs, gas, management and legal, supplies, and cable. So you can see the different costs associated with each expense here, and then the total on the bottom. From the total, we have net incomes that are automatically calculated once you input the numbers. These are very nice spreadsheets that we created using this Microsoft Excel program, and we can make these available to you, the viewers, as well. Let's look at some of our more specific spreadsheets. Here's a supply spreadsheet. We keep the different costs for each month in here. Mostly if I'm writing in C receipt book, that was probably an all cash transaction, and then I left a record of describing the transaction in the receipt book. Some of them I do write out here, like iPass. However, you'll see that most of them include the receipt book with a total of the year at the end. That's common in all our spreadsheets. Here's a spreadsheet for maintenance. You can see the different items that qualify for maintenance, such as P.O. Box renewal, phone bills, internet bills, gas bills, legal bills, taxes as well. Anything that keeps the building in operating condition is essentially a maintenance type expense. Here's a building repairs spreadsheet. We only had a couple of repairs in the year of 2019, and you can see the total down below. In addition to building spreadsheets, we also have individual apartment spreadsheets. You can see that in this case, for the month of January and February, there were no repairs. However, in March and May, we had a couple of repairs. Again, same kind of format. At the bottom, you'll see the total expenses for the year of that specific apartment. It's very good to segregate the building and individual apartments as well, so then you can notice trends at the end of the year. Here's another example. This is the electricity spreadsheet. At this particular building, there is a light pole on site that provides lighting for all the residents at a very low cost to me. You can see those costs right here and the total for the year. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you are interested in any of these spreadsheets, please comment below. In future videos, we will be discussing tax write-offs and the almost endless opportunities for maximizing your returns. Thank you again for viewing. This has been Andrew Miller with today's episode of the Miller Digest, and I will see you in the next video.